Oh, that was fucking Nick. Oh, I'm going to the Diamond Bell.
Oh! Oh!
Spider! Open the door!
Open it! Close it!
Please, I'm not in there! Please,
Shut up.
Okay. Adam, I'll show you the easier way to get to the top. Come in.
Okay.
Boys, Adam.
Oh, fuck.
No. Fucking
Double
hell.
jump.
I'm going. I'll see you later.
Oh, I love it. Ready?
Oh shit! Run!
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Sweet Jesus! Oh!
Bye.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
The fire hole.
Oh! Oh! Boys,
Oh, what the fuck? Dog. Just be careful with the dog. Oh, fuck, we are.
And Gaza.
We are fucking cornered.
Jump down.
Oh!
I'm dead. Says Adam still. What the hell?
Oh, fuck.
Adam?
Oh, there's shit dribbling down my leg right now. Fuck.
Oh my god.
What the fuck is this guy doing?
Gun down. Oh, fuck that dog, Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a bit scary.
Oh, no! Are you There's...
Tell you what, if only I had a camera this game. My god. I would have got some absolute elite footage.
Look at this fucking guy.
I don't know where I...
Don't know. If you're alive...
Oh shit.
Who's that? Oh my god, what the fucking nasty!
Oh my
Nick
god.
might have survived.
No, I'm dead. I'm 100%, 100% dead.
Oh no, Nick is dead.
How do I get out of here?
Fucking Adam. So confused.
That's a...
Oh my
But where's the question?
Look at these turtle
If I was Nick and I didn't die on this bridge, unless his body dropped,
Yeah, it probably did, mate. Oh my god, Wraith.
the dog
Wraith.
was there, he could have ran into here,
Oh my god, Wraith.
85 meters away from the bell. He could have ran into here. Adam?
Who are you?
You're alive?
I'm alive!
One
You
second.
have not...
Wraith.
Oh my god!
My camera
Oh
my camera was behind you. Go back to where you were before. Right? Keep going. Just keep on.
No!
Well,
It's right there,
Adam,
it's right
oh yeah,
there.
I see it.
Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't
Do it. Quick! Do it! Adam, do it! Press it! Where's Adam?
I have no idea, bro. He ran because he was like, the streamer can't kill me.
Hi,
Wraith.
how are you?
Oh! What the fuck?
Hello.
Hi. No, no, no.
Still.
No.
It's gone.
Why though? It shouldn't do that though. I don't understand.
Is it gone?
He's gonna go try to buy one now.
Fucking idiot. Yeah,
Nick, I'm going to shock him.
Wait.
Nick,
what's
I'm
that?
going to shock him.
Nothing. That's the hugger. Do it quick, Brave. Get what we need. See what do we need? What do we need?
Nothing right now, actually.
Stop it, stop him, stop him. She'll I buy a whole bunch of clappers.
Sound machine. Give me.
Oh, for fuck.
We can't have any sort of normality.
Oh, god damn it.
Nick, I trade you one for my sound machine.
Where did he go?
Jumped off the cliff. Someone jumped off the fucking cliff.
Here, I feel a bit bad. Here, you can have the boom mic, man.
I don't want a boom mic.
Alright.
My stomach.
Okay, that's enough, boys. That's enough. That's
Don't you fucking dare.
Lachlan, move.
My sound box off the cliff.
I can't look Lachlan right now.
Let's make a trade.
Okay.
Alright, both of you just give the items to me.
Okay. Drop it.
No, I want my item first.
Drop it.
Both of
Okay.
you just give...
Oh, fuck.
All right. Stand here, and we'll drop it in a count of 3. Same time.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, drop.
Where'd the clapper go?
The clapper go.
No way.
Did you run? You ran that shit. Did you run that shit at the cliff?
He's coming?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're coming.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, what just hit you?
The light monster got me and I maybe dropped my defib and it fell off the map.
And the white monster still doesn't have you yet.
You know what? I'll be on the ship, motherfucker. I've got a problem with you.